Hello and welcome to my first day of asynchronous learning. I'm just making this video just to help guide you along in the process of how to get today's work done. So today's assignment comes from today's Canvas page, which is day 5, September 30th. And the assignment that you're going to be doing is linked right here. So go ahead and click on Mapping Earthquakes. All right, and it's going to bring you right here. So the assignment, the way that you're going to be submitting the assignment is the way we've done a lot of the assignments in class, where you make a copy of a file, you then create a link to that file, and then you share it with me. All right, so let's go through that. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on this link. All right, it's going to ask you if you want to make a copy. You're going to make a copy. It's going to take a second, and then it's going to bring up this file right here. You can go ahead and click on the title up here and rename that if you want. So after you've renamed that, you're going to come up and you're going to click the share button, and I'm going to have to remove this. All right, you're going to click the share button right here. You're then going to click link. You want so that anybody within Wake County can view. You're going to copy the link. All right, you're then going to go back over here to the Canvas page, and you are going to submit, click submit, and then you're going to paste that copied file into the URL, and then click the assignment, or click submit. All right, so at this point, you now need to complete the assignment. All right, so the assignment is to map all of the earthquake and volcano locations on this map that are located on the second slide of the file. All right, so what I want you to do is to do all of the volcanoes in red and make all the earthquake locations in green. All right, so that when you're putting these dots on this map, you'll be able to tell the difference. Okay, one bit of advice I'm going to give you is you might want to either copy this or if you can print it out, that's fine. But one simple thing that I found that people do to help out in an assignment like this is to just use your phone, all right, and take a picture of this slide right here, all right. And that way, when you're plotting your locations onto this map right here, you don't have to keep on skipping back and forth between pages of this file. All right, one thing I want to point out that will help you is to recognize that these locations right here are west longitude, all right, and the ones in blue are all east longitude, right? Notice that a lot of these have W's and some of them have E's, all right? So I hope that helps. You have you have until tomorrow to get the assignment done. So good luck with that, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.